Lexus LFA Maintenance Service. Lexus is the luxury vehicle division of the Japanese automaker Toyota. The Lexus brand is marketed in more than 90 countries and territories worldwide and is Japan's largest selling make of premium cars. It has ranked among the 10 largest Japanese global brands in market value. Lexus is headquartered in Nagoya, Japan. The 2012 Lexus LFA is a high-performance supercar produced by Lexus, the luxury vehicle division of Toyota. The Lexus LFA is a limited production sports car that showcases advanced engineering, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance capabilities. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2012 Lexus LFA. Servicing a Lexus LFA. A high-performance supercar. Requires specialized knowledge and expertise due to its unique design and engineering. Here are some key considerations for Lexus LFA service. Authorized service centers. It's essential to choose authorized Lexus service centers or technicians who are specifically trained and experienced in servicing the Lexus LFA. These professionals have access to specialized tools, diagnostic equipment, and genuine Lexus parts tailored to the LFA specifications. Scheduled maintenance. Refer to the Lexus LFA Owner's Manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This typically includes regular inspections, fluid changes, and component replacements to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the vehicle. Fluid changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Lexus recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for the LFA's high-performance engine and systems. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. High-performance tires may wear more quickly than standard tires, so it's important to inspect them regularly and replace them as needed to maintain optimal grip and performance. Specialized repairs. If your Lexus LFA requires repairs or component replacements, ensure that only genuine Lexus parts are used. These parts are designed specifically for the LFA and meet the highest quality and performance standards. Avoid aftermarket or generic parts that may compromise the vehicle's performance or safety. Performance tuning. Some Lexus LFA owners may opt for performance tuning or modifications to enhance the vehicle's performance further. If considering aftermarket modifications, consult with experienced professionals who specialize in high-performance vehicles and ensure that any modifications are compatible with the LFA's design and engineering. Professional assistance. Due to the complexity and specialized nature of the Lexus LFA, it's advisable to seek professional assistance for any servicing or repairs. Attempting DIY maintenance or repairs without the necessary expertise and equipment can lead to costly damage or safety risks. By following these guidelines and entrusting your Lexus LFA to authorized service centers or experienced technicians, you can ensure that your supercar receives the proper care and attention it deserves to maintain its exceptional performance and longevity.